Welcome to students in second lecture of alcohol, phenols and ethers. हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ा था what are alcohols, phenols and classification of alcohols, phenols. Now we go IUPAC naming of alcohols. You know, general formula of alcohol is ROH. First you count number of atoms in the alkyl group and name alkane and replace E by OL. Their name will be alkanol. Clear? Where suffixes all and prefix is taken hydroxy. Clear? Now we take in some examples like CH3OH. CH3OH. They are single carbon is present. Their name will be methanol. Methane में E को all से replace किया गया. In the same way, we go some other examples like there. This is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is general name is normal propyl alcohol. Normal propyl alcohol. Clear? What will be IUPAC name? The 1, 2, 3. There are 3 carbon atoms which is attached on the first carbon, so their name will be propanol. 1. Second example is CH3 whole twice CHOH. Its general name is isopropyl alcohol. You open the chain. They are CH connected with the 2 methyl group in this way. Now there are 1, 2, 3 carbon which is attached on second carbon, so their name will be propanol 2. You can also write in this way, propane 2 ol. In the same way, this is propane 1 ol. Clear? Now we go another example like this is CS3 4 thrice COH. Its common name is tertiary butyl alcohol. Hence, 3 methyl group attached with 1 carbon atom in this way. This is. Now, in the long chain, the 3 carbon atoms are present. On the second carbon, OH, second carbon methyl group is present. So, what will be named? 2 methyl and 3 carbon atoms, so propanol. Propane 2 ol or propanol 2. In the same way, suppose this example is taken CH2OH, CH2OH. The 2 hydroxy groups are present. And the long chain, the 2 carbon atoms are present. So you take ethane. One interesting point. Don't remove E. Ethane 1,2 diol. Clear? अब यहाँ E को रिप्लेस नहीं किया. Why? क्योंकि E के बाद यहाँ पर क्या था आपका? इसमें आपका E के बाद O वॉवेल आ रहा था और यहाँ क्या आ रहा है? कॉन्सोनेंट. ये ध्यान रखें कि अल्केन में E तभी हटेगा आपका. E will be removed when coming word started with vowel और ये कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो हम लोग E को रिप्लेस नहीं करेंगे. Another example is taken. This is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. You know what common name of this compound? It's called glycerol or glycerine. What will be IUPAC name? The 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms are present in the long chain and OH is present on each carbon. So their name will be propane and 1, 2, 3 triol. Clear? This is the IUPAC naming of alcohols. Now we go for phenols. Clear? Phenols like this is phenols. ध्यान रखेंगे IUPAC नेमिंग में फिनॉल को एज ए IUPAC नेम एक्सेप्ट किया गया है. तो जैसे आपका ये कंपाउंड है, दिस इज IUPAC name is phenol. This is IUPAC name. Clear? Now suppose there CS3 is attached. Now you know which is the most senior. So start from this point. Clear? There are 1, 2. On the second carbon methyl group is present. Name will be 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. Clear? Now for my next, like this is OH. You can say it is a hydroxyphenol. Another name, ring को क्या कहते हैं? Benzene. Benzene is the accepted IUPAC. In the benzene, on the first and second carbon, O is present. So benzene 1,2-diol. Benzene 1,2-diol. These are IUPAC names of phenols. Clear? Suppose this is taken compound, which suppose present in the side chain. अब ध्यान रखेंगे, there are 2 carbon chains. This is the state chain, this is the aromatic ring. But functional group is attached on the side chain. So this chain is taken as a seniority chain. इसको priority देंगे हम लोग, तो इस chain को priority देंगे. Why? उसका रीजन क्या है? फंक्शनल ग्रुप को हमेशा लोवेस्ट नंबर अलाउ करना चाहिए. सो यू टेक दिस इज द कार्बन चेन on which on the first carbon all group is attached, on the third carbon phenyl group is present. So what will be name? 3-phenyl, and there are 3 carbon atoms, so their name will be propanol. In this way. अब जहां OH ग्रुप हमारे पास में है, OH ग्रुप के लिए मैंने बताया था आपका जो प्रफिक्स है, प्रफिक्स क्या होता है इसका? आपका हाइड्रोक्सी. प्रफिक्स इज हाइड्रोक्सी. अभी प्रफिक्स आता कब है? प्रफिक्स उस समय आएगा जब इससे भी अधिक सीनियर ग्रुप कोई आपका प्रेजेंट हो. सपोज दिस इज कंपाउंड इज गिवन, दिस इज लैक्टिक एसिड. This is lactic acid. Common name is lactic acid. Now you count number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3. Hence COH is most senior compared to OH group. So you start numbering from this 1, 2, 3. These are numbering the carbon atoms. On the second carbon, OH group is present. You write OH by prefix hydroxy. So their name will be 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. Clear? These are IUPAC names of alcohols and ethers. Now we go IUPAC names of ethers. Or ethers. How you write IUPAC name of ethers? You know formula of ethers is ROR dash. R and R dash will be alkyl groups or aryl groups. Alkyl or aryl groups. You count number of carbon atoms on the both side and write the name alkoxy-alkane. They are interesting thing. As used as a functional group by the oxygen atom, 2 alkyl groups, or you can say 2 carbon chains are added, are bonded. 1 carbon chain is named alkoxy, another alkane. Which is alkoxy, which is alkane? गैस को चूज करेंगे. ठीक, तो ध्यान दें, alkoxy is the shorter carbon chain and alkane is the longer carbon chain. इन दोनों चेन्स में अलग अलग काउंट करिए हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट. जहां कम कार्बन हो, जो शॉर्टर चेन हो, उसे अल्कोक्सी लिखिए. अधिक कार्बन हो उससे आप एल्केन लिखेंगे। अब शॉर्टर चेन में भी ध्यान दीजिएगा, जो भी आपका एल्केन का नाम बन रहा हो उस एल्केन के नाम में ए एन ई हटा करके वो एक्स वाई लिखेंगे तो आपका नाम अल्कोक्सी हो जाएगा। ठीक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी गो दिस एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज, see here there are two carbon chains are present, it has one carbon, it has two carbons. So this is a shorter carbon chain, who is taken with shorter carbon chain. There are only one carbon, for one carbon name will be methane, you replace A and E, the name will be methoxy. This is, and the long carbon chain has two carbon atoms, so their name will be ethane. Clear? Now in the long chain there are two carbon atoms are present, alkoxy groups attached on the one carbon, first carbon, so you can write one methoxyethane. In the same way, suppose taken C2H5 whole twice O is a diethyl ether, hence by the oxygen two carbon chains are attached in this way. This is, there are two carbon chains attached and both have same number of carbon atoms. You can take any one as an alkoxy. Suppose it is taken as alkoxy, the two carbon atoms, it will be ethoxy, so their name will be up there, one ethoxy ethane. Clear? Now we go next example. Suppose taken CS3O, this is, now see here, it is a shorter chain, methoxy group. In the long chain 4 carbon atoms are present. अब नंबरिंग कहाँ स्टार्ट करेंगे, यहाँ से नंबरिंग वहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं जहां फंक्शनल ग्रुप को लोवेस्ट नंबर अलाउड हो. सो यू स्टार्ट नंबरिंग फ्रॉम दिस एंड, दिस फर्स्ट कार्बन, सेकंड कार्बन, थर्ड कार्बन, फोर्थ कार्बन. ऑन द सेकंड कार्बन methoxy group is present, so you write 2 methoxy and the name will be butane. Clear? In the same way, suppose this is present, or you can write in this way, no, this is taken as a methoxy group. ये methoxy हो गया मेरे पास, तो methoxy, और इसका मालूम IUPAC नेम क्या होता है, बेंजीन, so their name will be methoxy benzene. In this way you can write the name of ethers. Clear? This is the IUPAC naming of alcohols, phenols, ethers. Next lecture में हम लोग आगे के टॉपिक्स पढ़ेंगे. Okay? Enjoy video.